Hello and welcome. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Now let's begin our meditation on the timeless words of Psalm 23. Take a slow, deep breath in. As you exhale, release any tension you're holding. Picture yourself in a lush green meadow. The sun is warm on your skin, and a gentle breeze rustles the leaves of nearby trees. This is your safe space, a place of peace. Now, bring to mind the first words. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Imagine a loving shepherd watching over you with a gentle, protective gaze. This shepherd knows your every need. Feel the comfort of being completely cared for. You lack nothing. All your needs, physical, emotional, spiritual, are met in this moment. Breathe in that feeling of abundance and security. Shepherd leads you beside still waters, makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. See the crystal clear water, calm and serene. The shepherd invites you to rest here. Feel the deep peace that washes over you as you lie in the soft grass. This is a time for restoration. Let the stillness of the water calm the ripples in your own mind. He restores my soul. In this place of rest, feel your energy returning. Any weariness, any worry begins to fade away. Your spirit is being renewed, refreshed, and made whole again. Take a deep breath in and feel that restoration filling every part of your being. He leads me in paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Now, Shepherd gently guides you onto a clear, well-trodden path. This path is straight and true. You don't have to worry about getting lost or stumbling. You are being led with purpose and love. Trust the journey. Trust the guide. Feel the confidence that comes from knowing you are on the right path. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. The path may lead through a valley where shadows are long. It might feel dark or uncertain, but look closely. The shepherd is right there beside you, closer than ever. His presence is a light in the darkness. You are not alone. Feel any fear you might have melt away in the warmth of his constant companionship. You are safe. You are protected. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. See the shepherd's tools, the rod for protection, the staff for guidance. They are not weapons of harm, but instruments of comfort and security. He uses them to fend off any danger and to gently nudge you back onto the path if you stray. Feel the deep sense of safety this brings. You are being watched over by a protector who is both strong and gentle. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Imagine now that you've come to a clearing. In the center is a beautifully set table, laden with a feast prepared just for you. Any challenges or adversaries you face are kept at a distance, powerless to interfere. This table is a symbol of honor, provision, and victory. You are invited to sit and dine in peace, celebrated and cherished by your host. You anoint my head with oil. My cup runs over. As you sit at the table, the shepherd comes to you and anoints your head with fragrant oil, a gesture of blessing, healing, and honor. Feel a sense of joy and abundance so great that it feels like a cup overflowing. Your blessings are more than you can contain. You are filled to the brim with goodness, love, and joy. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life. As you prepare to leave this meditative space, know that this peace is not just for this moment. Goodness and mercy are your constant companions, following you, pursuing you every single day. They are not just with you. They are actively seeking you out, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Feel the ultimate security of this promise. You have a permanent home, a place of eternal belonging and love. This isn't a temporary visit, it's a forever reality. You belong. You are home. Now, slowly bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this peace and assurance with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. If this brought you comfort, please consider liking this video and subscribing for more moments of peace and reflection. Go in peace.